Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Net Foodish. Ordar mapi minwan ramangi hakerdob yeng jongpi.
Menteri Ketenaga Jengok Kai Pertai ke Sorkar Jela Ubak Pol Lyngdoh haga Leitarik unok pra arajar arpusau ula Leit Ïashim Bynta haga 12 International Tourism Mart bala play da Ketenaga Jengok Kai Pertai ke Sorkar India haga arpun riu tarik unai wing arajar arpusau kabalalong hakohra Convention Center Ground Kaziranga Assam haga ni kejingyalang Ïashim Bynta Lyngdoh Menteri ke Sorkar Pedeng Ubak kami ia Ketenaga Tourism and Culture u Gajendra Singh Shekhawat u Menteri ke Sorkar Pedeng ubak kami ia Ketenaga Ports, Shipping and Waterways u Sarbananda Sonowal u Menteri kena ubak kami ia Ketenaga Tourism, Petroleum and Natural Gas u Suresh Gopi u Menteri Rangba ke Jela Assam u Himanta Biswa Sharma u Menteri Rangba ke Jela Arunachal Pradesh u Pema Khandu Ki Menteri Ketenaga Jengok Kai Pertai na ke Jela Tan Jatai Lammi ngi. Ki Officer na ke Ministry of Tourism bat kiwei. Ka International Tourism Mart ke day ke yau tamasa ke bajulong si sien si snem ban peni pat ba ya ke jingrius pa jonga culture ha gane ke tan.
Very good morning, everyone. I have the extreme privilege to once again very warmly welcome our Honorable Dais. We have the Honorable Minister of Tourism and Culture, Government of India, Shri Gajendra Singh Shekhawat. We have the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam. We have the Honorable Chief Minister of Arunachal Pradesh and all the Honorable Tourism Ministers of all the 8 Ashtalakshmi states with us on the dais.
I am sure and assured that the tourism potential, which is inevitable to grow in our country, with the growing economy, with the growth of economy, with the growth of the middle class in our country, I am sure that having organized this event here in Kaziranga, the northeastern states along with the state of Assam and this Kaziranga National Park are going to be benefited.
So, Meghalaya has been organizing a variety of festivals, be it the Shillong Cherry Blossom Festival, Migong Festival and concerts, and it's also organizing Bloomverse, and then we'll also have Nick Carter performing. So, do you see this as a sustainable approach to boosting tourism? Or do you think there are plans to diversify strategies to ensure year-round tourist engagement in the state?
Well, to answer to your query, we have an annual tourism calendar which announces various festivals at various points of time around the year. But music is certainly a major USP since Meghalaya and Shillong in particular has been home to Western music right from the 1950s. That apart, we are also trying to synergize our efforts with the fact that we consider the entire Northeast as a single tourism circuit. And the inflow of tourists to Assam, for instance, those who come for wildlife tourism to Kaziranga, and those who visit Kamakhya Temple for religious tourism, quite a substantial number of those tourists then hit to Meghalaya the next day after they complete their tours here in Assam. So it's a connected circuit, but for us, music is our core strength. Thank you.
So tourism requires regional collaboration. So how is Assam collaborating with its most neighboring state, that is Meghalaya, to promote tourism in Northeast?
It's being witnessed here. We are all sitting together.
I think tourism, the whole approach of the government of India is to approach tourism not as states, like tourism for Meghalaya, tourism for Assam. We are trying to promote tourism for entire Northeast. So that is why this event also named as a Ashtalakshmi. So I think, as Ba Paul has said, once a tourist comes to Kamakhya, he will surely or she will surely go to Shillong. So it is interlinked. So on matter of tourism, all the government of, SARE, all the 8 states, we are collaborating very closely. Infrastructure building is a approach towards that. And I think all the northeastern state and government of India's policy is the same, that let us not promote tourism for Assam, Meghalaya, let us promote it for entire northeastern state so that we can share our prosperity. So that's the whole idea.